Right, in my typical YouTube early days, I'd forgot to record this, so I asked Rob, is there anything I can do, and he said, can you change that wheel bearing on a Suzuki GSX 1400 rear wheel bearing. So yeah, I did it, but I didn't film it. So yeah, it's quite easy enough. Big bolt there, take that off, drop the brake caliper off, and then take the spindle out. Once the spindle's out, you pop the chain off. So yeah, it was the outer race on the actual chain drive. There's a bearing inside there that had gone, and it had really gone. So this is the one I just took out. I think he got his money's worth out of that one. But yeah, that is my first wheel bearing change. Obviously Rob's checked all the tightness and everything. We just checked the alignment of the chain, so that's all good. But yeah, hopefully some more little projects. So job number 2, Honda 125. Remembered to record this time. So ignition needs replacing, so we're going to take the bars off, change the ignition. We've got a new one here, and also I think we've got, yes, indicators to do. That one's gone completely. So this 125 I'm working on was stolen. So as you can see, I don't know, it's bent, the top yoke. So from there to there, it's bent, because that hole there, the big one, is where the steering lock would have been. So they've obviously twisted it and bent it to try and get the steering lock off, and weren't very successful. Yeah, so I've got to try and straighten this out a little bit. Yeah, so when the thieves stole it, they fitted their own little ignition switch on it. So yeah, this was down there, so that's plugged in somewhere under the tank. So just cut that away. It was cable tied quite neatly. Yeah, so they put a little switch in to bypass the ignition. The new ignition cable down, refitted the new ignition on, we straightened up a bit, so now to get the bars back on.